In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find viral TikTok shop videos on Kalodata. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, how to sort the data, and which filters to use to uncover videos that don't just go viral, but actually drive sales. Start by opening your browser and searching for Kalodata. Look for the official site in the results and click the correct link so you're on the proper dashboard. If you use it often, it's a good idea to bookmark the login page for quick access. Go ahead and log into your account so you can see the full analytics suite. Once you're in, head to the video section. You can also use the dashboard search to find Video Rank. This area highlights high-performing videos that are specifically tied to TikTok Shop products, which is crucial because it filters out general content and focuses on commerce-driven posts. Here's where the numbers matter. Sort the videos by key metrics, like revenue, items sold, or views. Views show reach, but revenue and items sold show what's actually converting. If your goal is to find proven sales drivers, prioritize revenue first, then check items sold to confirm demand. Views can help you spot format or hook styles that pull attention, but always tie it back to monetization. Next, switch to the Product tab and search for a specific item or niche you care about, such as beauty tools, pet accessories, or kitchen gadgets. When you find a promising product, click into it to open the detail page. You'll see top creators and the associated videos that generated the most revenue for that product. This is where you can reverse engineer what's working. Study the creator's hook, the length of the video, how the product is demonstrated, and the call to action that likely led to purchases. To really dial in viral, high-converting content, refine your results with filters. Narrow by time range. To focus on the last 7 or 30 days so you're catching current trends rather than stale hits. Short windows help you spot momentum. Slightly longer windows reveal stable performers. Finally, set performance metrics to surface winners. Add a minimum revenue threshold, for example, more than $1,000, or filter by revenue growth rate to find videos that are accelerating. Combining these filters helps you prioritize clips with strong conversion potential, not just vanity metrics. That's it. Use the Video Rank view to spot leaders, verify with product-level details, and lock in your filters to find repeatable winners in your niche.